Alright, so for today, you're going to have to fill in the boxes to match the equivalent expressions. So like you'll place an X if you think that 36 plus 21 is the same thing as 4 parentheses 10 plus 9. And the way you can do it is solving it by doing the distributive property. So let's start with 4 parentheses. And they kind of color coordinated. This is that burgundy red, green, and mustard yellow. So they go with the columns 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so your first problem, you're starting off with 4 parentheses 10 plus 9. Okay, so if I was supposed to do the distributive property, I would circle my outside number, and then I would distribute it like I was trick-or-treating. I'd give the 4 to the 10, and then the 4 to the 9. So then my next part, when I have it distributed, I would have parentheses 4 times 10, and then that plus sign that's right here. The plus sign is that sign that I'm carrying down with it. So I put a plus sign, and then I would do 4 times 9. Okay, and then I would simply solve. 4 times 10 is 40, plus 4 times 9 is 36. So now I'm looking for which one has the 40 plus 36 as my answer. So I'm looking for that as my answer, and then I'd put an X here because that's where if I were to take my fingers and like it's on a multiplication chart and I were to match them, they would almost like crisscross into each other. They meet when I go down from the 4 parentheses 10 plus 9, and when I come across from the 40 plus 36, they meet at that X. So you're going to do the same thing for the 9 parentheses 5 plus 2. So you start off. So you start off with 9 parentheses 5 plus 2. So I circle my 9. And just like when you go trick-or-treating, you expect to get some for the 9's house, and so does your sibling or best friend. Okay? And then you have your own candy. So 9 gave you candy, plus they gave your friend candy. So then you sit there and solve. 9 times 5, 45, plus 9 times 2, 18. So then I look and see, okay, where do they meet? 45 plus 18, they meet right here, so I put an X. Okay, and just to double check that 3 parentheses 12 plus 7 equals 36 plus 21, we want to double check that. So we have 3 parentheses 12 plus 7, close the parentheses. Okay, I circle the house that they go to, so I circle 3. 3 gives me candy. 3 gives my best friend candy. So then I do 3 gave me candy, plus 3 gave my best friend candy. So 3 times 12 is 36, plus 3 times 7 is 21. So then yes, it equals that, right? So that is how you do distributive property, okay?